look for me here, you know, say I grow up, me do KP, man, me big man thing. Me skip it real, talk to your friend, man. Me skip it real, now do me hear it, Mom, me hear lock. Cause Rasta, me think they right, you know. I'm not tell about no giddy Rasta, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm not tell about no jiggy Rasta.
I don't know, Dread.
I know dread. Cause dread is a dreadful stuff, you know what I mean?
You're a Rastafari.
Yeah. Done deal. You know what I'm saying? So as me reach, dog, the Pinkwall I say. When the man came up here again, and you left now, you put on one black drawers, and you come on the road and come up here, and you go up, you know, you come up more than 2 drawers, man. One up, where you put in the drawers? Yeah, man, that's how we do it, man. Test class, now, hold up, sir. Yeah, man, you have to test the drawers, you know. When I ain't talking, I'm going to put no food on the table. Test the drawers, them. Lift up on the skirt, I say, poking and can't look up and run down by. Test on the skirt, then. Pinkwall, make me look like one big old drawers washer now. Jaja. Pinkwall, make me look like one big old drawers washer now.
Like report, report Pinkwall.
Me pussy clad. Me want big drawers washer now, you know.
Report.
Nah, man, me left make it stay. Me a comment now, me a say. When the man came original, big old drawers washer told me now. No, I leave it to cuss. Yes, man, me chat too much. Yes, man, me chat too much, man, you want you. Me wash drawers. I am a man of my word. I'm in no blood clad reverse that. Coming up take back nothing. Me now reverse that. So friend, oh you fit test drawers. Me rascal. Tanis, aka Black Color Barbie. And me a walk on this. You think me a one of them little frozen boy when I beg your pussy? I don't run you down. And you tell me some you have to suck it before you give me pussy.
Never.
Tanis, don't pass a place with me, master. Me a thief, you know. For you know me a thief. Don't pass a place with me. And tell your friend. And me a tell your friend, you know. You tell your friend, we tell her if he asks, wall up his mother leg, and tie up in 2 pieces of rope, and chuck to him mother. And splash up your father. Boy, sniff for her teeth. To me, I want to look at Jamaican Yankee boy, they a bigger pussy. Or run it down. Door. Hey. Don't play with me. I'm not playing people. Yeah. As we was getting to the root, mix me up with them like a Yankee boy style, yeah. Me a hero, me a thief. Me light at the bus said, I am too thief for all this.
No girl can style you, man.
That a once upon a time. That's why I name once upon a time. You understand? And you get old now. That's why I have a story near once upon a time. Once upon a time is long time ago. This modern time now. I thank you. Why? Remember somebody are running down once upon a time. A lot of people don't know once upon a time. The past. That was a long time ago. Because if it was once upon a time, it could have been 2 years ago, 3 years ago. You understand? But once upon a time is long time ago. So we don't forget the difference between past and past tense. So once upon a time is long time ago. You know what I mean? Yeah. That was once upon a time. We're in history now. We're in history now.
There's a move on.
Yeah. We move on.
Move on.
To a higher level, higher places in life.
So tell them have a nice life. They tell them have a nice life.
Have a nice life. That's the past. Yeah. That's the past. Yeah. And that, you know, people love different from grown folks. But what? Don't hold back nothing for the life. But what? Dawg, Barbie. That is Barbie, Dawg. But what? Set my blood clot chain, cause this is one boy you can't talk nothing about. But what? I'm waiting. Grown folks argument. But what? You better put and zip your mouth. But what? You don't know nothing about, man. You don't know nothing about me. You don't know some thief. You don't know some thief. But nothing. What? People, you don't ask her about what? I'm waiting. But what? Must tell me I want a little Gideon boy out of Shadi. Yo! Remember, good man. I hear you talking, man. Remember, I'm thief. I'm long time. Me not take style in. Don't do me that. Me and your friend. Don't come over here and talk about if you sniffing or tasting, you downgrade in your friendship with me and me and your friend. But I see that you rather disrespect your friend. So okay, go ahead and disrespect your friend. Your friend is not about babu for who he. I'm gonna talk my mind. Go out to your friend. Ask your friend. Tell your friend, man. Me not piss a rope. Me know if I go buy some rope. Tell your friend. Friend your friend leg right that's all. And tie next one right that's all. Friends, if you ask, me not disrespect you, me not disrespect your friend. I tell us if you ask me. Friend, when them daddies we ask, hear that aka World Dog, aka don't give a fuck. 1, 2, 3, jump to your mama and splash up your blood clot, brother and siblings dead. And if you don't like that, the rest of you do something about it. Thank you, bye. Give back a rock and somebody else go and disrespect them. Why I want it? If you tie up them blood clot, mama leg again. Give me my blood clot rope, because I'm going to want it. Somebody must disrespect me again. And I'm going to draw for blood clot rope. wanna trouble me. I wanna trouble me. I wanna blood clot trouble me. Wanna blow me alone. Hold on there.